So for the 6-speed, took it all apart because all the brakes, we're gonna get ready to add some dual calipers in the rear to run a hydro. These are the brackets. We got everything loose already. Last thing to do is to open up that rear end and loosen the clips, pull the axle out to be able to take off this fucking guard shield. It's almost out. Oh, yeah. So once you remove the actual seat clip, this cover, the spacer, you want to push your axle in. Shit, oh, almost dropped my damn magnet. But now we can see the seat clamps, or the seat clips and shit. So we got to remove them. So I used the magnet to pull it out because they're slippery as fuck because all that oil. But it's out. Now, come over here. Pull the fucking axle out. Yeah. Now that the axle is out, I'm gonna pretty much take all this apart, take this fucking cover plate off too, and insert my brackets in the rear. So put the axle back in. The brackets are already in place. It's already bolted down. Here's our fucking e-brake shit. So, and that fucking dust brake shield, whatever the fuck that is. Now we have our axle pushed all the way back, and let's put that C-clamp back on, or C-clip. So we're all closed up. C-clamp back in, our C-clips and shit. So that's pretty much it. But this is this bracket will allow me to run dual calipers. So well, these don't fit, just so you guys know. I gotta get different ones, but neither do the actual fucking, well, none of this shit actually fits. So I'll put all the parts up, but yeah, pretty much whatever we did on this side, we're gonna do on the opposite side. Pretty easy, right? So we have both sides done. Spacer, or that